Hello, welcome back to the channel, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to weave this beautiful coaster. We are going to need a cardboard, and as you can see it has my measurements, that is 7 centimeters by 8 centimeters. You will need a pen, you'll also need a comb, you'll need our scissors, then one more thing, that is a ruler. We will need a crochet which can be substituted by a needle. Then we will also need our yarn. On your shortest side, make marks which will be 0.5 centimeters apart. We will do the same to the opposite side, which is 7 centimeters. We will also make the marks. So this is how it looks after the markings. Now we are going to cut through the marks just an inch long. Create similar markings on the opposite side. Now take your yarn and start looping it through the cuts as shown in the clip. Please note, I'm using acrylic medium yarn. It is thin. If you use chunky yarn, it will give you a hard time. Your project should look like this, and after this we are going to start weaving in our yarn. We are going to tie our yarn on the crochet hook, and remember I said if you can't use the crochet hook, use a needle. Then another thing to emphasize, instead of using a different color of yarn, you can continue with the same color of yarn you are using. I'm only going to change to make it visible. Our hook is ready to use. I'm going to use the opposite side. So insert your hook below, then above, then below, above. You're going to use this technique for the whole project. Once you've pulled to the end, you can now pull the yarn using your hook. I have a knot on the hook which is giving me problems, but all is well. Once you're done, use your comb to push down the yarn. Then we are going to repeat this process. Just like before, below, above, to the end of that row. Once you're done, use your comb, push it down, then repeat. We are going to do this to the end of our project. So I need to change the color of yarn. I'm going to let go of the green yarn and use a different color. Then we'll pick up from where we left. So I'm at the end of my project and I'm trying to crochet in that end. It will help block our project from unraveling. Insert your hook at the back. It will help raise those rows up, then cut them off in the middle. Our project is complete. From here we are going to tie those pink ends to avoid it going reverse. Please do this on both sides and our project will be complete. So thank you guys for watching to this end. If you love making woven coasters, this is just another idea to add to your long list of coasters. Thank you, till next time, bye bye.